Hey everyone, Matt here. Today I'm going to go over a new practice mode in GTO Wizard called Range Builder. Now, unlike the regular practice mode, Range Builder allows you to practice how to play your entire range, not just one specific combo. So let's get started. Step 1 is to choose our difficulty. You see there's 3 options: easy, medium, and hard. And if you click this question mark, it'll show you the difference between the 3. Easy is where you only choose between bet or check, and you could change the frequencies. You'll see in a second. The medium difficulty, we actually group sizes together. So you have overbet, large, medium, or small, and then you get to choose those frequencies of each combo. And then hard is where you actually have the sizes used in the GTO Wizard solutions. For the example today, I'm going to choose easy. Now, once you pick the difficulty, you now have to pick your formation. So today, we're going to do big blind versus button, single raise pot. And we're going to use a specific flop, but if you wanted, you could choose any flop you want, or you could filter it using these filters down here. But we're going to do Queen 10-4. And now I have easy selected. I'm going to hit Start Building. Before I fill in how I would actually play my range in this spot, let's quickly go over the features and explain how it works. So the first thing you'll notice is this paintbrush. This is how we change what each combo wants to do. So I can either click, or I can click and hold, and it'll change everything. Now we can change what we're doing here in these action buttons here. So right now I have it set that it was going to bet 80% and check 20%. That's why when I click here, you see that's what happens. Now I could change this in multiple ways. I could click a button. I could type in a frequency. I could use my mouse wheel to scroll up and down. Or I could drag this box. And the last way is you can click these arrows up or down. Now you might say, well, what if I want to do something different with spades as opposed to clubs or hearts? Well, you could do that in 2 ways. The first way is you click this pin in the top right corner. When you select this button, it allows you to change different suits. So let's say, for example, I want to bet spades 100, and I want to check clubs 100. And then I click this pin again, and you see I have spades bet 100, clubs checked 100. What I could also do is I could filter by suits and do it that way as well. So if I want to change spades, I'm now selecting all the spades. I could highlight that. And you'll see now all the spades are bet at 100. I'll quickly mention a few other things. If you make a mistake, you could use this undo button in the top left. And if you want to start over, you could just hit clear all. Now once you fill in some combinations, you can use this show help button to see how close you are to the actual solution. Okay, now let's build our range. So I personally like to start with my value.
You are watching a master at work.
Shut up.
Okay, I think this is close enough for now. So now to see how I did, you hit at the bottom right, confirm. As you can see, I was about 52% accurate. And I clearly was not betting nearly enough. And it's funny because I know this is a leak of mine. In single race pots, when I want to use a bigger size and use more of a polar range, I know I'm not betting enough. So that's why I picked this example. So on the right we have the actual solution, and on the left we have what I did. Now let's see, where did I mess up the most? Now in this action tab, you can actually sort by hands. So what this is doing is it's showing you how to play specific hand classes and what I got wrong. So you see third pair here. We can compare. You see the actual solution's betting some of them. Low pair, that wasn't bad, 66%. It's betting way more ace high than I would have. And some of these nothing hands are mixing in as bets. You can also filter by draws. So you see, I was kind of close there. Now once I'm finished, I could hit try again, or I could just find a new spot to practice. So this practice mode still is in beta, so we'd appreciate any feedback on how we can make it better. You can leave a comment on the video below, or make a comment in the GTO Wizard Discord. I will end it on this. I encourage everyone to give this range builder a try. I think you'd be shocked at how you may think you know how to play your range, but when you actually fill it in and check your results, how off you might be. So with that, thanks everyone for watching. We'll be in touch soon.